Hello guys, welcome to Java Developers YouTube channel. In previous class, we studied about the password validations as a concept of HTML5 features. We are in the currently storages topic. Okay, there are three types of storages are present like local storage, session storage, and cookies. And as a local storage, it will store the data permanently, and the length of that storage will be around 5 MB to 10 MB. Local storages will store the data permanent. After closing the tab or restarting the system, the data will not be gone, and we can access the data within any tab level. And these are key value pair type. Okay, we'll see that. Just open. Just go for this. Run the code. Go for the VS Code. Just create the boilerplate and like keep one heading like storages, storage, right? Go for the application and we are going to see local storage. Okay, it's already presented data. Yeah, local storage is like it will store the data permanently, and around 5 to 10 MB of data will be stored, and key value pair each type, and it's very fast. And we can use for saving the themes, like if you want the theme of black theme or light theme and user details, passwords like that, we are going to use the local storage. And what is the use of session storage? Session storage is a it's not permanent, and it can be wiped out if you close the system or restarting the browser or closing the tab. Okay, it's around 5 MB data can be stored approximately, and this is also key value pair type. Okay, it's very fast compared to the cookies, and it will be used for the one time like temporary use state management systems. And if you want to navigate one page to other page, if you're taking the current link of that, it will be navigated like that. Okay, for the each tab it will maintain its own storage. Okay, the last thing is about that cookies about it store the small amount of data, it will interlink to the server client servers. And basically we used to for the JWT like password validations. Okay, validations criteria like OTPs like that, JWT. Okay, JSON web token based. Okay, and it will be having the expiry date too. Okay, we need to mention that that will be expired. Okay, let's see the comparison table for that. As a local storage, it's permanent 5 to 10 MB, not sent to any server, speed is fast. Coming to the session storage lifetime until closing that app, it will store approximately 5 MB and send to the server. No, it's very fast. And whereas cookies expiry based, approximately they will store 4 KB as they will send to the server, they are very slow. Okay, just open the VS code. Let's take the script tag, and if I want to set the if I want to set the storage data, like if I want to set the data into session storage dot set item will be used as they are accepting only the key value page, right, as a string data type. And we need to set the user name, right? We need to set the name as Kohli. And what is the next thing? I want to say like age is the key, and 32 approximately. I just don't know particularly. Yeah, this value is 32 or 36, 34, I don't know. Yeah, this is we are setting the data, right? Set. If I want to get the data, how we are going to use? Okay, session storage dot get item. Okay, then we need to call what? We need to call the key. What is the key name? Okay, and after that, let name, store that in a variable, or directly you can print the console session dot get item also, no issue with that. And you can use like console. Okay, console dot log of name. And if I want to use let age is equals to session storage dot get item of which is the key of age, and I want to print that with the age. Okay, let's go for the browser. If I refresh the browser, go for the console, we are getting the Kohli as a 32. If I go for applications, if I go for local storage, get refresh. No, it was not getting. Why? Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, if you want to display the data in this web page, we are going to use document dot write. Next, what is that name? Okay, and let's see the output. Yeah, you are going to get it Kohli, right? Yeah, let's close all the tabs which is to the right, and let's go to this page, open with live server, and we are getting, click here, go to inspect, or you can use the shortcut like Control Shift J, go to the applications and go to this clear session storage. Nothing is there. Oh, I mean, we are using the session storage. I think we are using the local storage. Sorry, it's my mistake. Yeah, it's about session storage, and that's the data is getting here. Okay, and if I want to remove the particular thing like session storage dot remove item, if I want to remove the name, I was telling the name, right? What is the key? It's a name. Okay, the name is wiped out. Just see this. Okay, and if I use session storage dot clear, then it will wipe out the whole data. Okay, if I remove the clear, the data will get back. If I uncomment it, data will be wiped out. Okay, if you want to remove particular data, we need to send the key name. If you want to remove whole data, you can use like clear method. Okay, it's all about session storage. Okay, as they are stored as temporary purpose, temporary use state purpose up to the 5 mg, which is faster, which cannot connect to the server. Now we are going for the local storage, which is a permanent storage type as local storage dot set item. Same, inside that name comma, what is the name? Let's take Ardik, and local storage dot set item of age is equals to 35 or 28. I was don't know, but I was giving the random number, so I want to get that. Let name equals to, already we used the name, right? So n is equals to local storage dot get item of name. We are targeting the key, and then we are console dot log of n, which indicates the name, and after that int of a, which is age, local storage dot get item of age. Okay, then we are logging the data into the a. If I go for that, okay, so local storage, we will be having the key value pairs like key is age, key is name, and that will be consisting the particular data. Okay, and if I use like local storage dot remove item, if I want to remove the name, it will get removed. Okay, if I comment this, we get the back. Okay, and local storage dot remove, sorry, we will be having clear. If I use clear, all the data will be wiped out. Okay, but if I want to send the object data, let user is equals to, okay, and the name that will be consisting name is Surya Kumar, and let's make sure that role is captain. Okay, and what is the thing I want to do? I want to set into the local storage. Okay, How we will set that? Local storage dot set item. What is the key we are going to use here? User. And if you want to set the data, what's it to be, that it's type to be string. But here, what is its type? It's an object. We need to convert that into string type. JSON dot, you'll be having stringify method and pass the user. Okay, I mean, we are setting the data. Already we set it. And if I want to get the data, for getting data, we need to convert again into the object type. Okay, like that. Let data is equals to, we need to convert that string into the object type. JSON dot parse, which convert the string to the object type. And local storage dot get item. Okay, from where we have to get this? We are getting from the user, right? If I want to console that particular name of the person, we have to use data dot name. Okay, if I go for console, we are going that we are getting the name. But if I want like role, we are going to get role as captain. Okay, I mean, we are fetching the data as an object type, and while setting, we need to, it's just converting the JSON, I mean, object into the string type. While we are getting, again, we are converting to the object type, from the string type to the object, and we are targeting the particular key, and in that I was using all the data. What will happen? Console.log of user like data. I get both. Yeah, we are getting both. Okay, that's all about local storage. I mean, we can also use, already I think we used, yeah, remove item and Clio. And let's go for the cookies, which is a small amount of 4 KB of data. Like we can use document dot cookie is equals to, and what is the cookies will be having, like name equals to, okay, this is a document dot cookie, user equals to something like Rajesh, and it was expiring Friday on 31st of December 2026, and we are setting path as default. If I want to print that, console.log of document dot cookie. Okay, if I go for this page, and if I go for applications, and if I go for cookies, particular site as a size is 10, right, expiring session, show the URL decoded. Okay, yeah, this is about the cookie, and that's all about today. The storages types we have discussed in depth regarding the storage type, and we have the many other storage types too. Like here you can see like IndexedDB, right, and we have the shared cache storage. Okay, but mostly we should have an idea regarding this local storage, session storage, and cookies. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this local storage, session storage, and cookies, just comment me below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.